Hi everyone, and welcome to my Byte Masters Academy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal conversions of fraction numbers. Decimal to binary fraction. To convert a decimal fraction to binary, we can use the following steps. Multiply the decimal fraction by 2. If the integer part of the result is 1, write down a 1 in the binary number. Otherwise, write down a 0. Repeat steps 1 and 2 until the fractional part of the result is 0. The binary number is the sequence of digits that you wrote down. For example, let's convert the decimal fraction 0.375 to binary. Multiply 0.375 by 2. The integer part of 0.75 is 0, so write down a 0 in the binary number. Multiply the fractional part of 0.75 by 2. The integer part of 1.5 is 1, so write down a 1 in the binary number. Multiply the fractional part of 0.5 by 2. The integer part of 1 is 1, so write down a 1 in the binary number. The fractional part of 1 is 0, so we stop. Therefore, 0.375 in decimal is equal to 0.011 in binary fraction. Binary fraction to decimal. To convert a binary fraction to decimal, we can use the following steps. All the fractional digits to the right of the binary point have respective weights which are products of bit values and negative power. To convert a binary fraction to decimal, multiply each digit from the right of the binary point by 2 to the power of the negative ascending order from left to right. First binary point digit multiply by 2 to the power of negative 1 equal to 0.5. Second binary point digit is 0. So when it multiply by 2 to the power of negative 2 it's equal to 0. Third bit should multiply by 2 to the power of negative 3. So we get 0.125. Last bit multiply by 2 to the power of negative 4 and equal to 0.0625. Then perform the calculation to addition the all answers 0.5, 0.125 and 0.0625. Therefore, 0.1011 in binary is equal to 0.6875 in decimal. That's it for how to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal conversions of fraction numbers. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer science and programming.